Hey drone fans! Today we're diving into the ultimate showdown, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro versus the brand new Mavic 4 Pro. These are two of the most powerful consumer drones on the planet, but which one's right for you? Stick around as we break down the specs, performance, and real-world differences. Hit that like button if you're excited, and let's get started. The Mavic 3 Pro dropped in April 2023 and set a high bar with its triple camera system and pro-level features. Fast forward to May 2025 and DJI's back with the Mavic 4 Pro, boasting a next-gen camera, longer flight time, and some wild new tech. But is it worth the upgrade? Let's compare the specs and see what's what. The camera is where both drones shine, but the Mavic 4 Pro takes it to another level. Mavic 3 Pro features a triple camera system with a 4x3-inch CMOS Hasselblad main camera at 20 megapixel, shooting 5.1K at 50 FPS or 4K at 120 FPS for slow-mo. You also get a 70mm medium telephoto with 3x optical zoom and a 166mm telephoto with 7x optical zoom. It's a beast for cinematic shots and supports 10-bit D-Log for color grading. With the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI went all out with a 100-megapixel Hasselblad main camera. Yes, 100 megapixels. It shoots 6K at 60 FPS in HDR, giving you insane detail and dynamic range. The triple camera setup is similar, but the telephoto lenses are upgraded for sharper images at longer ranges. Plus, the new 360-degree infinity gimbal lets you pull off dynamic pans and tilts without rotating the drone itself. The Mavic 4 Pro's higher resolution and HDR video make it a clear winner for filmmakers and photographers who need every pixel. In tests, the 4 Pro's main camera captures finer details in landscapes, like individual leaves on distant trees where the 3 Pro starts to blur. However, the 3 Pro's 5.1K is still stunning for most projects, especially if you're not printing billboard-sized photos. Battery life and range are critical for getting those perfect shots. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro offers up to 43 minutes of flight time and a 15-kilometer video transmission range with DJI's O3 Plus system. That's solid for most shoots, but you'll need to plan longer sessions carefully. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro bumps the flight time to 51 minutes, almost an hour. It also extends the transmission range to a jaw-dropping 30-kilometer with 10-bit HDR video streaming. That's double the range, making it ideal for remote locations. The 4 Pro's extra 8 minutes can mean one more take or a safer return to home. In real-world tests, the 4 Pro's extended range held a stable signal in windy conditions, where the 3 Pro started to stutter. If you're shooting in vast areas like mountains or deserts, the 4 Pro's range is a game-changer. Both drones are packed with tech to keep your investment safe. The Mavic 3 Pro comes with omnidirectional obstacle sensing and APAS 5.0 for smooth navigation around obstacles. Active Track 5.0 lets it follow subjects like cars or people with precision. On the other hand, the Mavic 4 Pro upgrades to omnidirectional LiDAR for even better obstacle detection, especially in low-light or complex environments like forests. It also introduces AI-powered subject tracking that predicts movement better, like keeping a speeding cyclist in frame. The Mavic 4 Pro's LiDAR makes it noticeably safer in tricky spots. During testing, it dodged branches and power lines the 3 Pro might have clipped. The improved tracking also means less babysitting during dynamic shots, freeing you to focus on creativity. Both drones are foldable and rugged, but there are tweaks. The Mavic 3 Pro weighs 958 grams, compact enough for travel, with a sleek design that's easy to pack. The Mavic 4 Pro is slightly heavier at around 1050 grams due to the beefier camera and gimbal. It's still portable, but feels a touch bulkier in hand. The weight difference is negligible for most users, but if you're hiking miles to a shoot, the 3 Pro's lighter frame might be a small win. Both handle wind well, though the 4 Pro's upgraded motors give it a slight edge in gusty conditions. Here's where your wallet comes into play. The Mavic 3 Pro starts at around $2,200 for the base kit, with Fly More combos pushing past $3,000. It's a premium drone, but more affordable now that it's been out for 2 years. The Mavic 4 Pro launched at roughly $2,400 USD for the base bundle with the RC2 controller. Higher-end kits with extra batteries or goggles could hit $4,000 or more. The 4 Pro's price reflects its cutting-edge tech, but the 3 Pro is a better value if you don't need the extra resolution or range. For hobbyists, the 3 Pro still delivers 90% of the experience at a lower cost. Pros shooting for clients, though, will justify the 4 Pro's cost with its superior output. So, which drone's for you? Get the Mavic 3 Pro if you're a hobbyist or semi-pro who wants pro-grade footage without breaking the bank. It's perfect for travel vlogs, real estate, or indie films on a budget. Get the Mavic 4 Pro if you're a professional filmmaker, photographer, or content creator who needs the absolute best image quality, longest range, and safest flight tech. It's built for big projects and future-proofing your gear. The Mavic 3 Pro is still a powerhouse that holds its own in 2025, but the Mavic 4 Pro pushes the boundaries with its 100-megapixel camera, longer flight time, and smarter tech. It's like choosing between a sports car and a supercar. Both are awesome, but one's got that extra edge. What do you think? Are you Team Mavic 3 Pro or ready to splurge on the 4 Pro? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know what drone topics you want next. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Until then, keep flying high, and I'll see you in the skies.